Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engine. This happens to be an original big block, 1966 454. I've redone the whole thing for a gentleman. It's original heads, original block and crank and rod, but we put a nice forged piston in it. We put a hydraulic roller cam in it with tie bar lifters. All the goodies. We got ARP bolts throughout. This happens to have an original intake manifold. Actually, this is a intake manifold. A Merlin intake manifold with a Holly Sniper and an MSD distributor. Hey, we just got done making out of this original motor, 566 horsepower, 599 foot-pounds of torque. That's pretty damn good for a little 1966 454. Fantastic, working really nice. Beautiful oil pressure, 3 nice AFRs. Let's see what kind of ponies we get on our final pass. I'm very happy with it, I really am. I think you will be too. That's really nice, man. That's it, we're up there. Beautiful.